all you need to know about fishing Lake Coeur d'Alene. Lake Coeur d'Alene is a true gem in North Idaho, known for its stunning scenery and rich biodiversity. Whether you're a seasoned angler or a beginner, this lake offers something for everyone. So let's get started with everything you need to know about fishing on this magnificent lake. Lake Coeur d'Alene is home to a mixture of fish species, making it a paradise for anglers. First off, let's talk about the best spots to cast your line. Some of the most popular fishing spots include Carlin Bay. Known for its peaceful waters and abundant fish, it's a favorite among locals. Harrison, a great spot if you're looking for a mixture of species. Wolf Lodge Bay, famous for winter fishing, especially for kokanee salmon. The Chain Lakes. These interconnected lakes offer excellent fishing, especially for bass. No matter where you choose to fish, you're bound to have a great time. Lake Coeur d'Alene is home to a mixture of fish species, making it a paradise for anglers. Here are some of the most common species you can expect to catch. Chinook salmon. Known for their size and fight, they are a prized catch. Kokanee salmon. Smaller but abundant, they are great for beginners. Northern pike. These aggressive predators are a thrill to catch. Just watch out for their teeth. Bass. Both largemouth and smallmouth bass can be found here. Remember to check the fishing regulations for size and bag limits to ensure a sustainable fishing experience. Timing is everything when it comes to fishing. Here is a quick guide on the best times to fish in Lake Coeur d'Alene. Spring. Great for bass and pike as they move to shallower waters for spawning. Summer. Early mornings and late evenings are the best to avoid the heat. Kokanee salmon fishing peaks during this season. Fall. Excellent for Chinook salmon as they prepare for their spawning run. Each season brings its own unique fishing opportunities, so there's never a bad time to fish. Having the right gear can make all the difference. Here are some recommendations. Rods and reels. A medium to heavy action rod is versatile for most fishing here. Baits and lures. Live baits like worms are great, but don't forget your favorite lures. For salmon, try using spoons and plugs. Tackle box essentials. Make sure you have a mixture of hooks, sinkers, and swivels. Don't forget a good pair of pliers and a fishing net. Pliers come in especially handy if you catch pike. For those new to fishing, local tackle shops can provide invaluable advice on the best gear and the bait for the season that people are catching the most fish on. Before you head out, here are a few tips to ensure a successful and enjoyable fishing trip. Check the weather. Always check the forecast before heading out. Stay safe. License and permits. Make sure you have the necessary fishing licenses. They can be easily purchased online or at local shops. Also check where you will be fishing because we do have some Indian reservation land and there are certain licenses that are required for that area. Know the regulations. Familiarize yourself with the local fishing regulations to avoid any fines and help conserve the fishing population. Stay hydrated and protected. Bring plenty of water, sunscreen, and insect repellent. With these tips in mind, you're all set for an amazing fishing venture on Lake Coeur. Thanks for joining me today on Living North Idaho. I hope this guide helps you make the most of your fishing trips on Lake Coeur. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay up to date with all of our latest content. And if you have any fishing tips or favorite spots, share them in the comments below. Happy fishing, and until next time, keep living your best life in North Idaho.